Michigan Technological University's Chemical Engineering Department in the Chemical Sciences and Engineering Building is home to a world-class Unit Operations Laboratory and the Process Simulation and Control Center. This fully operational lab contains 18 bench and pilot plant scale unit operations experiments and 2 fully automated chemical processes. The lab offers chemical engineering students an unparalleled opportunity to gain hands-on experience using chemical processing equipment ranging from vacuum drying and heat exchange to membrane separation and liquid extraction.
Michigan Tech's Unit Operations Lab is designed to be a pilot-scale learning environment with the best industry-like safety operations. The lab contains chemical and mechanical hazards owing to the wide array of equipment and chemicals used in the lab. All visitors must be aware of these potential hazards and should know what to do in the case of an emergency. University policy does not allow children under the age of 12 in any lab unless they are enrolled in a class or program. Children under the age of 16 must be under the direct supervision of a laboratory supervisor while visiting any lab containing hazardous chemicals or equipment.
Before entering the Unit Operations Lab, you must be wearing the appropriate personal protective equipment, or PPE. Required PPE includes safety glasses with side shields and hard hats. Students operating machinery within the Unit Operations Lab are also required to wear steel-toed shoes, though this is not required for visitors entering the lab who will not be operating equipment. Individuals that are only visiting the Unit Operations Control Room, the protected office area overlooking the 3-story lab facility, are not required to wear any personal protective equipment.
As you tour the lab, carefully note the yellow lines painted on the floor, which identify pathways as safe distance from all equipment. Remain between these lines at all times unless your tour guide specifically states otherwise. If you are guided outside the yellow lines, watch your step. A portion of the floor in the Unit Operations Lab is slanted, and floor grading can trip unwary individuals. The yellow lines also identify pathways to the exits. As you enter the lab, be aware of the laboratory exits to either the main building's hallway on each floor or the loading dock on the basement floor.
Smoking is strictly prohibited in any building on campus. Drinks and food are not allowed in the lab areas. Please refrain from touching any of the equipment, including electrical boxes, switches, and valves. If a building or lab-specific alarm goes off during your tour, pay attention to your tour guide. They will show you the appropriate course of action to take. Michigan Tech's Chemical Engineering Unit Operations Lab is a unique learning experience and resource. We hope you have a safe, enjoyable visit.